Skywin Foodstuff Machinery Company Limited was established in 2010 and located in Shunde, Foshan City, Guangdong Province in China, is a professional enterprise of full automatic hard and soft biscuit production line, cookie line, water biscuit line, sandwich biscuit machine, and auto feeding and packing system. We got high reputation from customers as satisfied quality and service, set up long-term business relationship, and become good business partner. Currently, we are cooperating customers mainly in USA, Africa, the Middle East, Western Europe, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Middle East. Skywin provide one-to-stop solution and service from biscuit production to packing. We have more than 40 professional staffs to match delivery time. We insist quality and service is all in the business. Innovation and researching is service to quality. What customer wants is what we pursuits, and we strive to achieve quality, price, and service into a perfect unit based on international quality, competitive price. Provide the technical support according to the customers and APO's requirement. Equipment for biscuit production fully complies with hygiene and safety requirements and standards of the European Union and has a European quality certificate. We are able to offer a wide range of machines and ovens for the production of all types of biscuits. Start great business now. We are looking forward to providing excellent service for your esteemed company.